Hi everyone, my name is Terry McCullough. I'm an engineering manager with YKK, and today I'm at the Functional Fabric Fair in Portland, Oregon. And today's Tech Talk is going to be about the NATULON Plus zipper with REVECOL dye chemistry. YKK was introduced to the REVECOL chemicals by Patagonia. They came to us as a trim supplier, looking at ways of changing the zipper to be more sustainable, not just in raw materials, but actually through our processes. To reduce YKK's carbon footprint, the NATULON Plus zipper uses REVECOL chemicals. They're developed by ERCA Textile Chemistry Solutions in Italy. REVECOL is an auxiliary dye chemical made from exhausted cooking oils. For YKK, we replaced the dispersing agents in our dye process with ERCA's recycled product. Currently, our factories from Turkey, Italy, and Vietnam have transitioned to using REVECOL as their dyeing agent for our zippers. With this transition, our factories have been able to reduce our usage of traditional dye chemicals by 20 to 30%. The switch from traditional dye agents has moved us closer to our 2050 sustainability vision goals. REVECOL chemicals are Blue Sign approved, GOTS approved, and listed in the gateway of ZDHC. For more information, please be sure to reach out to your YKK representative. Thank you, and see you on the next one.